Number 1. 1973 Lincoln Continental, $3,800, Boulder, Colorado. This 1973 Lincoln Continental is a classic example of early 1970s American luxury. Powered by a 460 cubic inch, 7.5-liter, 8-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it delivers a smooth floating ride. Showing 94,205 miles and carrying a clean title, it remains a strong driver. Features include hidden vacuum-operated headlights, extensive power options, a rolling drum electronic speedometer, and massive trunk space. Cosmetic flaws include faded roof paint, a torn passenger seat, a stuck rear driver's side door, carpet wear, and dashboard cracks, but overall it offers impressive presence and comfort for the price. Number 2. 1967 MGB GT, $8,600, Fall River Mills, California. This 1967 MGB GT is a dependable British sports coupe with a clean title. Powered by a gasoline engine with a manual transmission, it provides an engaging driving experience. The odometer shows 10,000 miles and has rolled over. Original chrome remains in good condition, and the suspension, steering, engine, and transmission are reported to be strong. The interior is well cared for with custom wood trim and a modern stereo system. The older paint shows blemishes but still presents well, making this a solid driver quality classic. Number 3. 1975 Cadillac El Dorado, $4,000, Upland, California. This 1975 Cadillac El Dorado features the legendary 8.2-liter 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. With 79,000 miles and a clean title, this original example runs well and is smog-exempt. Finished in gray with a leather interior, it delivers the smooth and effortless ride Cadillac was known for. This Eldorado offers impressive torque, bold styling, and classic luxury at a very affordable price. Number 4. 1987 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT Foxbody, $8,999, Tacoma, Washington. This 1987 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT hardtop shows 108,001 miles and carries a clean title. Powered by a V8 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, it features a rust-free body, white exterior, and red interior. Upgrades include a 5-lug conversion, suspension improvements, cold air intake, upgraded wheels, new tires, a stereo system, and an ignition cutoff switch. This Foxbody Mustang remains a highly desirable performance classic with strong collector appeal. Number 5. 1971 AMC Javelin SST, $20,000, Pearce, Arizona. This 1971 AMC Javelin SST is an excellent condition muscle car, powered by a mildly built 360 cubic inch gasoline engine with fuel injection and a torque flight automatic transmission. With 86,000 miles, rear-wheel drive, silver paint, and a clean title, it blends classic muscle styling with modern drivability. AMC Javelins are increasingly collectible, making this a strong and distinctive alternative to more common muscle cars. Number 6. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Wagon, $8,900, Hesperia, California. This 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Wagon is powered by a 350 cubic inch gasoline engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Showing 125,000 miles and carrying a clean title, it runs well but needs interior upholstery. Minor rust is present under the rear right glass and near the spare tire area. With classic wagons gaining popularity, this Chevelle offers solid potential as a driver or restoration project. Number 7. 1964 Dodge Dart GT, $4,500, Vancouver, Washington. This 1964 Dodge Dart GT runs and drives and comes with a clean title. Equipped with a gasoline engine and a manual transmission, it offers a simple and engaging driving experience. The brakes need attention, though the vehicle does stop. Known for its lightweight design and performance potential, this Dart GT is an affordable Mopar classic with room for improvement. Number 8. 1981 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, $10,000, Los Angeles, California, located in Clarksville, Texas. This 1981 Chevrolet C10 Silverado is an excellent condition truck showing 52,000 miles and carrying a clean title. Powered by an 8-cylinder gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, it has received extensive mechanical restoration, including suspension, cooling system, steering, brakes, and air conditioning. The interior is fully new, and the truck drives like new. While it needs paint, it remains original and fully turnkey, making it ready for long-distance driving. Number 9. 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe Coupe, $20,000, Pinole, California. This 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe Coupe blends classic pre-war styling with modern upgrades. Powered by a 350 cubic inch gasoline engine and a 200 R4 automatic transmission, it features rear-wheel drive, disc brakes, power steering, and power brakes. Showing 65,000 miles with an odometer rollover noted, it carries a clean title. New paint, polished trim, updated interior features, and excellent drivability make this a well-sorted street-driven classic. Number 10. 1962 Chevrolet Nova II Convertible, $19,000, Tehachapi, California. This 1962 Chevrolet Nova II Convertible is powered by a 327 cubic inch gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. Showing 1,000 miles and carrying a clean title, it features rack and pinion steering and power disc brakes. The convertible top is in good condition with one small tear, and the bucket seats need upholstery. While not a show car, it is a strong running classic that can be enjoyed while being gradually improved.